In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. If you need to cancel a check without fully deleting the record, voiding it is usually the best option. Voiding keeps the transaction in your books for reference, but changes the amount so it no longer affects your balances the way an active check would. This is especially helpful when you want to preserve the history of the transaction while making sure your records stay accurate. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, navigate to Expenses. This section is where QuickBooks stores spending-related activity, including checks, expenses, and vendor transactions. Once you are in Expenses, click on Expense Transactions. This will open the list of transactions tied to your business spending. Take your time here because this is where you'll locate the specific check that needs to be changed. If you have a long list of transactions, it can help to carefully scan the dates, payees, or amounts so you choose the correct one. When you find the check you want to void, click on it to open the full transaction. Opening the check allows you to review all the details before making any changes. This is an important moment to pause and confirm that you're working on the right transaction, since voiding a check can affect your records and reporting. Next, look toward the bottom center area, or the bottom panel of the check window. You should see an option labeled More. Click on More to open a small menu with additional actions available for that transaction. From that small menu, choose Void. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental changes, so make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. To finish, click Yes or Void Transaction, depending on the version or prompt shown on your screen. Once you do that, QuickBooks will save the change and the check will be marked as voided. As a final reminder, always double-check before voiding any check to make sure it's the correct one. That extra few seconds of review can help you avoid mistakes and keep your financial records clean and accurate. And that's how to void a check in QuickBooks Online.